The following video might not be suitable for everyone. Viewers' discretion is advised.
Hey, my youth, you know where I watch? Dancehall skilla! Alright, the people, Dancehall skilla there again. Yes, big up and respect to each and every one. I hope that everyone is okay and alright. Alright, big up, big up, big up, big up, big up. Alright, so I have videos that I'm going to present to you, and the first video that I'm going to present to you, according to some unconfirmed information that I got about the video, it is said that the video shows some of the things that happened when the police within the country of Jamaica break up a public worship that was being held at a place that is known as Halfway Tree, that is within the parish of St. Andrew, that's within the country that is known as Jamaica. Now, I do not have any confirmed information as to when the public worship had been held at Halfway Tree, St. Andrew, Jamaica. However, I got the understanding that the video had been posted on social media sometime within the month of September the year 2021. And today is the 4th of September the year 2021. Alright, now let's take a look at this video and see if the police was really and truly at that location when the public worship had been held at Halfway Tree, St. Andrew, Jamaica. Alright, yeah, let me know what you think about this video as well. Alright, now here's the video. Take a look, listen and observe.
I tell you, so I tell you now, we're not right at Jamaica again. Look, church and right, church and state run the Police lock down the church. Police lock down the church, you are keep in Halfway Tree. Look at the amount of people. You just put people in there. See the people, Halfway Tree. Halfway Tree, see there? Halfway Tree, look. People now right now in the country again. Pastor them come out and preach, government and police come. Lock up the church. Run with the people them. Their things are going on. Mark of the beast around the country now. So watch out now.
My people, you see nowadays, because of the COVID-19 pandemic, anytime the police within the country of Jamaica say too many persons gathered together anywhere within the country of Jamaica, they might want to break it up, you know? Yeah, according to some things that I saw and heard in the video, it seems as if the police within the country of Jamaica was at that location where the public worship had been held at the time when the video had been recorded. It seems so, you see? Yeah, I look at the video and I saw the back of a police service vehicle and I saw someone wearing a certain type of clothing that might be a police uniform from within the country of Jamaica, you know. So we just point out those things, you see. Anyways, you can let me know what you think about the video, and I'm going to move on to another video. Alright, how many of you, my viewers and subscribers, ever find a fault with a telephone company from within your country? How many of you ever find a fault with customer care or the service of a telephone company within the country that you're from? Well, I have a video that I'm going to present to you, and this video is going to show a female, and according to some things that the female said in the video, I got the understanding that the female complained about the customer care and the service of a telephone company from within the country that is known as Trinidad and Tobago. Viewers and subscribers, let me know what you think about the things that this female said, alright? Here's the video. Take a look, listen, and observe.
Customer service in Trinidad and Tobago, we need a reform. Now this morning I'm talking about B-Mobile. I got up this morning, I did my morning worship in good spirits, you know. But the demons, they have to come. In what form? In B-Mobile. B-Mobile this morning, I was told somebody tried to call me, they messaged me. Thank God I have Wi-Fi in the house so I could get WhatsApp. They message and say they have been trying to call me. I said, I don't understand. What is it? What is the problem? They said the number is disconnected. I said, no, that cannot be. I called my own number on another phone, on my husband's phone, only to hear that my number has been disconnected. Now let me go and explain to you. I paid that bill. I have no arrears with B-Mobile. It was a new postpaid account. I went into B-Mobile Maraval office and they told me they don't accept cash payment there. No problem. There's where I went and changed over the account, by the way. I went to Shoreway. When I went to Shoreway in Woodbrook, I made the payment. When I came back out, I said, but why am I not getting internet access? I went back to Maraval. She told me go back to Shoreway because they are not seeing any payment. I went back to Shoreway. Shoreway gave me they gave me a little receipt indicating that the money was paid. I said, but if the money was paid, then the phone should be working. Went back to Maraval, listen to the back and forth. Went back to Maraval again, spoke to Teresa, asked her what is happening with this account. She said she doesn't know because look, it is on her system here. She's seeing the account number and she don't understand. She said she will call B-Mobile head office. I'm still waiting for a text message. She said, don't worry, I'll put it back on, I'll rectify the matter so that you'll be able to make your calls and get your internet access. All well and good. Now, if the money was paid, my question is where the money went. Because if you all are not seeing the account, then you all shouldn't accept a payment. But they accept the payment and then telling me they are not seeing the account number. Only to find out that my number has been disconnected because my money probably is floating in the cloud, is floating somewhere. I am tired of B-Mobile service. I have been having problems with B-Mobile. I feel that B-Mobile trying to sabotage me, you know. I really feel that it's just a problem with me and B-Mobile. Because I had problems in the past with B-Mobile, putting money on the phone when it was prepaid. And then when I check the phone, I am seeing no money. I put on a $300 and something to take a plan, open the phone, no money. I called, he was the CEO at that time, Ronald Walcott, Dr. Walcott. I called him 3 times on 3 occasions concerning B-Mobile terrible service. He said, Kizel, don't worry, we'll rectify it immediately. It was rectified. It happened again, it was rectified. Now I changed the account to the postpaid. Right? I don't know who's the CEO now. I changed the account to the postpaid. Now I paid the money. Nothing is owing. But yes, my money floating somewhere. God alone knows where this money is floating. And they choose to disconnect my account. My account is not an account to call John and Jane for mundane purposes. When I call somebody on the phone, it's because it's business. Now, you are making me lose business, B-Mobile. I am fed up of your disgusting service. And I'm fed up of poor customer service in Trinidad and Tobago. I mean, it stinks. It really stinks. Your service really stinks, B-Mobile. I am fed up. Your service smelling green. Green. Because you all are ridiculous. That's why I hate monopolies. I hate monopolies. I thank God for competition that came into Trinidad. So now we have an option. And I am prepared to exercise my option of choice and leave B-Mobile. Because you all are ridiculous. The worst service there is in Trinidad and Tobago is B-Mobile. This is not the first time. Not to say the first time it happened, I come on social media and complain about you. I call the CEO who I consider a friend. I called him and I told him about it. He said, I'll quickly rectify it. And he did. Second time it happened, I was really aggravated. He rectified it. Third time it happened, I said, but this is a joke now. What is going on with B-Mobile? Everything in Trinidad, you have to know somebody to get things done. We have too much of bubble and corruption and fraud in Trinidad. Too much of it. And it's time that we expose these companies and these entities. But you know what, Trinidadians, we love to talk. We love to talk. We'll come on these platforms and talk. And nobody takes action. But when I take action for certain things, you know what? They say, all right, Kizel is making a mountain into a mole. But this is my business line. I'm a political advisor to Caribbean entities. They have to call me. Now I'm preparing for election in another country. Now you want to disconnect my number and I paid you and my money floating in some cloud? I want to hear, no, you'll have to answer to this. Where is your communications officer, your public relations officer? Answer, because I am not alone. I am certain that I am not the only person that is complaining about terrible customer service from B-Mobile. And it's too much of disgust. Always a bunch of blasted old thief. That's what I call you all inside there, a bunch of old thief. Because you all are stealing from the public. And then saying that you can't rebate when I had problems before. I have to call somebody to get through. That's how things operate in Trinidad. So people who don't know anyone, what happens to them? What about the voiceless people? Well, I will stand up for everybody who don't have a voice right now. War in B-Mobile. Because you all are ridiculous. You hear what I'm telling you? You all are ridiculous. I'm fed up of this damn shit in this country. God, listen now. God be with us, you know. God be with us.
The part that what she said about the green still, a part that really catch me there. Yeah, the green part what she say, isn't it? But on a real still though, if you're in subscribers, I say, if she decide to change telephone company, me not wrong her no. No, me not wrong her. You see me? And me can talk from experience that changing telephone company because you're having too much problem with a telephone company can be a good thing to do. You see? Well, it makes sense you go keep on a complain and a call customer care, and you tell them and you say this happened to you, that happened to you, and at the same time the same thing or maybe something similar, something else happened to you over and over with the same telephone company. No man, leave, go to another one man. You see, go to a different telephone company. See, and you might be surprised to see you get better service. You see me, maybe at the luck too. Maybe by changing that telephone company a bigger luck for you. You see. And this is something what me do before, you know. See? And because me do that, at one point, me end up with about 3 phones. You see? Yeah, because me I tell you, competition did really and truly did a flare up in Jamaica one at the time. You see me I say? Yeah man, who remember Claro? Eh? Who remember Claro? When Claro did there within the country of Jamaica. Who remember Claro? Eh? Who remember? Yeah, them the days that the amount of freeness where every phone company in Jamaica give away free nights, free this, free that. Yeah, so you see competition, keep them on them toes too. You understand? Yeah, so if she decide to change telephone company, me no wrong her. You see me I say, I mean not bash no telephone company, I mean not bash nobody's brand and nobody company. But if a customer is not satisfied with your service and customer care, then if them decide to change and leave your telephone company if you go to another telephone company, I cannot blame that person because me can tell you from experience say it can be a good thing for you. You understand? I don't even know when that video that be recorded really and truly doing for your subscribers. You see what I say? Yeah, but anyways, let me know what you think about the videos that I presented to you in this video. And until the next time, if you're new to my channel, don't be afraid to click the subscribe button. I'm name Dancehall Skilla. I want to big up on yourself. You see it?
Hey my youth, you know where you watch? Dancehall Skilla! Yeah, man. Hey yo, Skilla! You are watching Dancehall Skilla.